Welcome to Agile Stromani Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and expert analysis on various commodities. Today, we'll take a closer look at the domestic pepper market, which has recently experienced an upward price trend. We'll also explore the global factors at play, particularly in Vietnam and Brazil, that are influencing the current market scenario. Over the past few trading sessions, domestic pepper prices have been on a rise after a sharp decline that saw prices drop by 1,800 rupees to 2,000 rupees per quintal. This decline had initially sparked concern among traders, but the market is now stabilizing. The bounce back in buying activity has been a key factor driving this recovery, as traders take advantage of the lower prices. The reduced arrivals of pepper have further contributed to supporting prices, helping them hold steady in the last two trading sessions. In key pepper-producing states like Kerala and Karnataka, prices have shown a notable increase, rising by 200 rupees to 300 rupees per quintal. Currently, ungarbled pepper in Kochi is trading at 64,600 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is fetching 66,600 rupees per quintal. Additionally, smaller quantities like 500 grams are being sold at 63,600 rupees. In Karnataka, pepper prices are also firm, ranging between 64,500 rupees and 66,700 rupees per quintal depending on the market. Turning to crop conditions, farmers are reporting favorable weather, but a crucial factor for future production is the arrival of rain. The next 7 to 8 days are critical, as rainfall will play a significant role in improving crop conditions further. Despite the current stability, the lack of timely rain could potentially impact the quality and quantity of the upcoming harvest. This situation highlights the importance of weather patterns in shaping future price trends for domestic pepper. On the international front, Indonesia and Brazil are playing key roles in shaping the global pepper market. Indonesia continues to maintain high production levels, which is putting downward pressure on global prices. However, Brazil is facing a different situation altogether. The country has been grappling with severe drought conditions, which have caused significant damage to its pepper crops. This has led to a tightening of supply from Brazil, subsequently pushing global prices higher in recent months. Despite Indonesia's strong production, the country's aggressive export activity during August and September has significantly reduced its stock levels, leaving limited availability for the coming months. This dynamic is creating a more balanced global supply-demand equation, which is expected to impact prices in the near term. Meanwhile, Vietnam, another major player in the pepper market, has seen some fluctuations in its domestic prices. In certain provinces, prices have dipped slightly, falling by 500 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, while other regions have remained stable. Currently, prices across major pepper-producing provinces in Vietnam range between 147,500 Vietnamese dongs and 149,000 per kilogram. Over the last 3 weeks, Vietnamese pepper prices have oscillated between 147,000 Vietnamese dongs and 155,000 per kilogram. These fluctuations have been driven by sporadic demand, as well as the ongoing harvesting activities in Brazil and Indonesia, which have influenced the global supply chain. Pork prices, free on board, in international markets have remained relatively steady, with Malaysia seeing a slight increase of 1.1% due to dwindling supplies. The harvesting seasons in central South Brazil and Indonesia are nearing completion, which is expected to exert additional pressure on export prices. In North Brazil, harvesting is just about to commence, adding further uncertainty to the global market. Let's take a quick look at the latest price levels. In Kochi, INR per quintal, ungarbled, 64,600 rupees garbled, 66,600 rupees 500 grams, 63,600 rupees. In Karnataka, INR per quintal, Kushalnaga, 64,500 rupees to 66,600 rupees Chikmagalur, 64,500 rupees to 66,700 rupees. Fork codes for black pepper, USD, MT, Brazil Aster, $6,750 Vietnam 500 GL, $6,800 Vietnam 55 OGL, $7,100 Indonesia Aster, $6,939 Malaysia, Room 8,900. To sum up, the pepper market is entering a critical phase where both domestic and international factors are likely to shape price movements in the coming weeks. While the domestic market is showing signs of stabilization, global factors such as production in Brazil and Indonesia, along with demand from Vietnam, will continue to play a crucial role. Keep following Agasthomani Guru for the latest updates and expert analysis on the pepper market and other key commodities. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed.